I am Saloni from class 9C and today I am discuss about my physics project work which is given by Raj Kishore around the topic of the motion and the important terms related to it. First of all, what is motion? An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with the passage of time. Now rest. An object is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with the passage of time. Types of motion. There are three types of motion: linear motion, circular motion and vibratory motion. Linear motion. A body has the linear motion if it moves along a straight line on the curved path. The motion of a body along in a straight line is known as linear motion. Example, motion of a moving car. Circular motion. The motion of a body along in a circular path are known as circular motion. Example, moving of an electric fan. Vibratory motion. A body has vibrating motion if it moves to and fro about at the fixed point. Example, motion of an pendulum. Reference point and fixed reference point, a fixed place at the fixed point. An object with respect to which the given body changes position is known as reference point. Distance, length of the actual point path between the initial point and the final point. Displacement, the shortest distance between the final point and the initial point is known as displacement. Scalar quantity, the physical quantity which are completely specified by their magnitude or size only are called scalar quantity. Vector quantity, the physical quantities which have the magnitude and direction both are called vector quantity. Uniform motion, the motion of an object is uniform if it moves in a straight line or covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. Non-uniform motion, the motion of an object is said to be in a non-uniform if it covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time are called non-uniform motion. Speed of an object is defined as the distance traveled by it per unit. Average speed, the ratio of distance traveled by it divided by the total time taken by it. Velocity of an object is defined as the displacement of the body per unit. Average velocity is defined as the ratio of the total displacement of the body divided by the total time taken by it. Acceleration of an object may be defined as the rate of the change of the velocity of the object. Line graph, the variation of the dependent quantity with an independent quantity is represented by the graph is called line graph. First equation, the relation between initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration and time is known as first equation of motion. Second equation, the relation between the distance traveled, initial velocity, acceleration and time is known as second equation of motion. Third equation, the relation between the initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration and the distance traveled by the body known as the third equation of motion. Uniform circular motion, the circular motion of a body having uniform or constant speed is known as uniform circular motion. Thank you.